Um, Good evening, Mr. Shakir. Your
Sir,
interview is going to be on which date?
sir, 11th, sir. 11th.
11th. Acha,
This month.
11th.
Yes.
Yeah, 11th. In which place?
Sir, in Vijayawada, in Guntur.
Guntur. Acha, very good. Excellent. Now, first question will start like this. Please tell me about yourself. మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నారా కానీ లేదంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడుతున్నారా?
Yeah, I am comfortable in both, sir. We will continue in English.
English.
I am both. Yes.
You are comfortable in
Yes, sir.
English as well as Telugu.
Telugu. Yes,
You
sir.
know Hindi also?
Yes, sir. I know Hindi also.
Hindi reading and writing or only speaking?
Reading and writing, sir. In my 10th class, Hindi is one of the subjects. And also I have completed my graduation in Punjab.
Acha.
So,
What about spoken English? Spoken Hindi?
spoken, yes, sir.
You can manage.
ठीक है, sir. मेरा हिंदी ठीक है.
Very good. Acha ji, please tell me about yourself briefly.
Sir, my name is A. Mohammed Shakir, sir. I have completed my graduation in 2015 in BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering.
No, I think because of this video content, speed is not adequate, sound is not coming correctly. I will
Okay, sir.
stop my video. You also stop your video because our idea is we
Yes,
must
sir.
communicate well. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah. Please tell me
Because-
about yourself. Now it is
Yes,
okay.
sir. Sir. Sir, good evening, sir. My name is A. Mohammed Shakir. I have completed my graduation in BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2015 from Lovely Professional University. After that, I have joined Canara Bank as a Scale 1 officer. I have worked in Canara Bank for more than six years. Meanwhile, I have completed my CAB and also completed Certified Credit Professional course.
Mm,
So I am very
great. First candidate to come to me with the certified credit professional certificate. Congratulations. Tell me.
thank you, sir. Thank you. I am a serious banking aspirant. Want to achieve greater heights in banking industry.
Yeah. Now you are working in which branch of the Canara Bank?
Canara Bank, sir. I am working in Budawarpet branch in Kurnool district.
Acha. Now my major question is, why were you not promoted to scale 2 in Canara Bank?
Sir, it is actually voluntarily. I have not participated in promotion process due to personal reasons, because my wife also works for state government. So in 2020, I am eligible for promotion. At the same time, I am married and my wife was pregnant. So we made a conscious decision that it will be difficult for us to manage child if I get transferred to some other place, because my mother also is not homemaker. She also is working. So it will be difficult for us. So we made a conscious decision and not opted for promotion. So that's the reason.
Very good. And now this one you opted because this is going to be within the state.
Yes, sir. My primary reason for appearing
But
RRB scale.
where is the guarantee that you will be posted within Andhra or Telangana? You can be posted anywhere else also. There are many
Yes, sir.
candidates who have missed the bus because of the fact they have been posted in Rajasthan and other places. So what is your answer for this?
Sir, there are primarily two reasons for me to appear to this interview, sir. First reason is, as I have already said, due to personal commitments, I was unable to get promoted. Whoever my batchmates, they are now appearing for scale 3, sir. So,
Yeah,
but still I am.
Obviously.
Sir, but still if I, in my mother bank, if I attempt, I will be scale 2 next year. So the primary reason is, if I attempt to go through RRB, I will be scale 3, sir. That is my
Yes.
primary reason, sir. Secondary reason is the perk of getting RRB is that there is a chance of getting posted in the home state for entire life. That is one of the perk. So as I have already said, the reason why we not opted for promotion was due to our child. So he is now 2 years old. So my wife can manage him, sir. So that's the reason we are opting for promotion now, sir.
Where is your wife working?
In Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Where? Which part of Andhra Pradesh? The same
In
place?
Karnool, sir. Karnool.
You are also in Kurnool?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that is the reason. Good. What will happen if they transfer you within Andhra itself, somewhere else, Kurnool, say some other place, Tirupati, if they post you in Canara Bank, what you will do?
Sir, my wife also will request for spouse case and she will
Oh,
transfer to that place.
acha. Very good. So this one, you have to smile and answer Shakir and tell
Sir,
them that this is the reason why you are opting for conversion from, because
yes,
basically they will have a doubt. You know,
sir.
you are a guy who is working in a very good reputed bank,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and you are already eligible for promotion, not accepted promotion. Here you
Yes,
want to come, of course, for personal reasons. And
yes,
only
sir.
thing is they will counter you like this. What will you do if you are not going to be selected within Andhra? You will say, I will not accept it. That's all. Is
Yes, sir.
that not your reason? What will you say? But I would suggest you to say, no, sir, I will join. So that the allocation is being done by IBPS, not by interview board. And if you are lucky, you may get your first or second choice.
Yes, sir.
Good. That is nice. And regarding dressing, you should not go with this much daddy and all for the interview.
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, today I thought to shave, but
Hmm.
today is
Okay.
as today is Tuesday, there are no barber shops. So I realized tomorrow morning I will shave, sir, because I want to shave just before 3 4 days, so that
Acha,
a look will be good, sir.
you don't have practice of doing self shaving and all? No.
No, sir. I used to trim, sir. I will trim actually.
Okay.
Shaving, I don't have practice, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं don't worry. So Shakir, now first question for you, why you did not opt for promotion earlier, and now why you are coming for our RRB. That's all. Now next question, what is the business position of your branch?
Sir, our branch is classified as very large branch, and it is CM headed branch, sir. Total business of our branch is 260 crores, sir. In that, roughly 100 crores is deposits, 160 crores is advances, sir. Right now, I am handling retail lending portion of our bank. It is roughly 90 crores of the 160 crores. 90 crores is retail lending, which includes housing loan, vehicle loan, education loan, and other loans on small loans like pension loan, personal loans.
How many accounts are there, loan accounts?
Loan accounts would be around 500, sir. Excluding gold loans, sir. Excluding gold loans.
Gold loan, how many will be there?
Gold loan will be 1,000 to 1,500. 1,200, sir. 1,200.
Gold loan is being taken care of by somebody else?
Yes, sir. Gold loan is taken care by another officer.
Do you have a clerical staff working with you for this loan section?
Actually, dedicated, there is a clerical staff, sir. He will work for me, and also there is another officer for MSME proposals. So for both of us, one clerical is allotted, sir. So we will use
Very
his
good.
service.
Excellent. That is a nice answer you are giving. So now tell me, who is your chairman of Canara Bank?
Sir,
Who is the chairman of your bank?
chairman,
or MD and CEO, sorry.
MD CEO is Satyanarayan Raju, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Satyanarayan Raju, correct. That's correct. Now, what is your first option for RRB?
Sir, my first option would be Andhra Pragati Gramin Bank, sir.
Which bank has sponsored that?
Canara Bank itself. Sir.
Or which bank?
Canara Bank, sir.
Oh, acha. Coming from same bank. Good, good, good. Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Now, who is the chairman of your RRB now?
In Andhra Pragati, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I don't know, sir.
You must know about Andhra Pragati thoroughly. Who is the
Yes.
chairman? How many branches are there? What is the total deposits? What is the total advances? Is it a profit-making bank?
Yes, sir, it is profit making.
Yeah, what is the profit making? And then what are the products they are giving? Then what are the digital products they are giving? Like that, you must know about the bank for which you are given option. What is the total capital? Everything you must know
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
about that bank. You must know thoroughly.
Okay, sir.
Now, next type of question will be,
Sir.
what is the achievement Shakir has done in his branch? Present branch, previous branch.
Okay, sir. So, sir, for the past 6 years, they will not rate us during probation period. Out of the past 4 years, 3 years I got outstanding rating, sir. Only 1 year I got good rating. So in our bank, rating is linked to targets assigned to our portfolio. So if I handle retail portfolio, even I achieve retail targets, then only they will give outstanding, provided the outstanding rating is approved by our regional manager. That is first thing, sir. Second is, wherever I go, I will try to give my 100% to the job which is assigned to me. So in this branch, I have sourced one vehicle loan, which is amounts to 1,40 crores. 1 crore 40 lakhs.
Acha.
1 crore 40 lakhs.
What is it?
Mercedes Benz.
Is it a Mercedes Benz car?
Yes, sir. Mercedes Benz car. I have met,
Who has
I have met
bought
with
it? Who has bought it? Is it a cinema actor or a businessman?
businessman, sir. Businessman.
Acha, ठीक है. Tell me.
Yes, sir. And also, I have sourced more than 3 proposals which are more than 1 crore, sir. One is education loan, which amounts to 1 crore 5 lakhs. And as I said, one vehicle loan, 1 crore 40 lakhs, and one housing loan, which is a triplex, sir. Like duplex, it is triplex.
Oh, triplex means
Yes. 3
construction.
floors. Yes,
Construction
sir.
wise. Yeah, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
In
Yes,
which
sir.
place? Karnool.
Karnool, sir. Karnool.
Excellent. Now you were telling about education loan of 1 crore plus. It is
Yes, sir.
for study in which state, which country?
India only, sir. Actually, he wants to do post graduation in medicine, sir. MD.
Sir, postgraduate medicine, that much fee has to be paid.
It's not merit seats. It is actually payment seat.
Oh, he is studying in a private college or a government college?
Private college in Maharashtra.
Oh, that is all right. Then I can understand that. But for all these things, do they give receipts?
Sir, like what? Sir, they it depends upon, sir. Depends upon how we are asking. They won't give receipt for. I think they might be paying more than 1.5 crore, but they have given whatever they are talking, how they are dealing, sir.
Acha, they have given some receipts for whatever payment has been made by you.
Yes, yes, sir. They are giving for that, sir. Then only we can finance.
What is
So
the
with
security? What is the security you have taken for this?
security, they have given go down.
Go down.
Commercial property, they have given, sir, security. The commercial property worth is more than 9 crores.
Oh, then it is okay. Then it is okay. Good. Why is that godown given as security? Is that candidate son of the owner of the godown?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then it is fine. Then for this Mercedes-Benz 1 crore advance, what is the
Sir,
security you have taken?
sir, actually, the advance is given in the name of company called Dattasai Cement Concrete Products.
Hmm.
So, other than the hypothecation of the vehicle, we have not obtained any other collaterals.
Is the company having other accounts also with you?
Actually, they used to have one account with us, sir. But due to some reasons, our bank policy doesn't finance for vacant land, sir. If you give collateral for vacant land, we can't finance for that. There is no policy for our bank. So they are forced to go out to HDFC for, for obtaining more funds. But there is also sister company called Amukta Jewelers by the same proprietor. He, we are having exposure to that company, sir. We have given 1 crore OD to that company, sir.
But nowadays jewelries are all cheaters. You are aware of that?
Yes,
No,
sir. Yes, sir.
in Tamil Nadu, many of the jewelry companies they have been. But your borrower must be a honest person. That way, okay.
Yes, sir.
But
We are having
it is very risky to give Mercedes Benz without any security. I don't know.
yes, sir.
Are the repayments coming correctly? How many months before the disbursement was made?
2 months back, sir. Repayment is correct, but the customer is very trustworthy person
Mhm.
because it's
Maybe
very difficult.
maybe he will
Very
have some other deposits in his name in the bank. Maybe that may
yes,
be
sir.
the reason. Maybe that may be the reason which we cannot speak out. Correct. That's
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now,
Yes,
please, you have told about your achievements. You have told about this. Now, um, the reason why you are not shifting, getting promotion in your bank, you have told us. The reason why you want to come to RRB also, you have told us. Namely, you want to stay within Andhra. That's all very fine, no problem. Now, why did you study this certified credit professional course and all? Not many people study that. Why did you study?
sir. In 2019, I completed CAB in my first attempt, sir. So after that, I was wondering
Very
what
good.
to do because
Very
uh,
good.
what to
Hmm.
what to do because many of my friends they are still studying CIB, so they used to ask me how. So I was very much involved. That time itself, I came to know there is a course called Certified Credit Professional. So initially, many reviews they said it is very difficult course. So
Hmm.
I was hesitant. So I bought the book that IBA publishes one book for Certified Credit Professional. I
Acha,
purchased that book and I gone through that book.
how much
So
it
after
costs?
sir, it cost around 600, sir.
Acha. Is there any PDF copy of that? No.
No, sir, no, sir.
Oh, so no, next time when I go to India, I will buy it
Yes,
as it is. Hmm.
yes. So then I
Or
applied.
you are aware of any PDF material for certified credit professional?
So I have searched for PDF material, sir, but all the PDF material is paid only, sir. There is not available free PDFs. Before they used to be free PDFs available,
No, no.
but
I suggest you if you come across some guy who is studying in this knowledges.
yes, sir. Yes.
There is a company known as Knowledges. They are
Yeah, yeah,
conducting.
yeah. I know, sir. I know, sir.
Yeah. If somebody was in your college or bank who has studied in that, and if he can oblige you by giving it, can you please share it to me, if
Okay,
possible?
sir.
No, no
Definitely, sir.
compulsion. No compulsion,
Yes,
because I'll be able to use it for others'
yes, sir.
benefit if but I don't know. Not much time will be there for me to study, but
Yeah.
still, let me study that and make it understandable. That's right.
Okay.
Now, coming to your questions in IBPS, RRB, PO related questions. Just a minute. Hmm. Can you please tell us what are the advances which our RRBs are? Can you tell me why it is appearing so big like this on this? Just a minute. I'll show it to you. If you are a computer, you know something, you tell me how to make it small. Why it is appearing so big, big, big? This one.
Sir, you press control minus, sir. Try
Con-
pressing control minus.
control.
Minus, sir.
Acha. Oh, oh, no, no. I pressed control and then
Plus.
moved this. What is
Yes,
this?
sir.
Mouse. Something
Yes, sir.
happened.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. What is money market?
Money market is, sir, actually I have read it somewhere, sir, but exactly I am not able to recall it.
Why? Mm, Indian money market consists of diverse sub-markets, each dealing in a particular type of short-term credit. The money markets,
Yes,
um, Indian money market concept, structure, characteristics. Indian money market consists of organized sector, unorganized sector. Under the organized sector, Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, non-banking companies, post office, cooperative banks. Under the unorganized sector, indigenous bankers and money lenders. Then Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, scheduled commercial banks, non-scheduled commercial bank. Under scheduled commercial bank, public sector, Indian banks, foreign banks, regional rural banks. This is not outdated. Now State Bank Group, this concept has gone. I think this has been written some 10 years back. Nationalized banks. Under nationalized banks also, besides that, you have cooperative bank, central cooperative banks, primary cooperative banks, urban cooperative bank, land development bank. Nowadays, you have one more concept known as small finance bank and also
yes,
what?
sir.
Payment banks.
Payments bank.
Yeah.
Yes,
No, but this is one way of definition. Another way
yes,
of
sir.
definition is that a money market is not the same as capital market. Former is a market that deals with borrowing and lending of short-term funds. However, the latter is a market that deals with long-term funds. Even though these markets are different from each other. So I am giving this link to you in
Sir.
our Telegram page. आप बात में पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Sir, Telegram ka link, please
మీ దగ్గర
share it
లేదా
once.
ఎందుకు జాయిన్ చేయలేదు? Sir,
I,
I think you
I will.
joined recently. You joined
Yes,
recently.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
But now, even if you join now, you can't see the old postings. So what is your cell phone? What is your number?
Eight
Nine.
nine six six. 896.
1 minute. Wait, 1 minute.
Last 5231.
No. 8, 9,
6853
6, 8.
53.
No. I think you have sent it through this. Mm, 1 minute. I have it written here.
Yes, sir.
But,
Yes.
mm, yeah, it is there here. I am giving that to you.
Okay, sir.
Apart from that, I am giving you the Telegram link.
Okay, sir.
Please join this group.
Okay, sir.
You can ask some doubts and all that. Or
Yes, sir.
others will ask some doubts. Very good. That's
Yes,
good.
yes.
Nice. Now coming to this, what is Gaganyaan? Have you heard of this Gaganyaan?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Gaganyaan is actually it's a,
Central government project?
yes, sir. No, no, sir. Satellite ISRO satellite, sir. It's a mission,
Oh,
ISRO mission, sir.
oh,
Yes, sir.
correct. Very good.
Yes.
You told nicely. Very happy. Yeah. Now let me go to this. Good. Then बैलेंस शीट में क्या क्या आता है बोलिए
Sir,
బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో ఏమేమి దొరుకుతుంది దానికి ఎలాగ మన యూస్ చేసుకుంటాము how it will
sir,
be useful for banker
yes, sir. Sir, in balance sheet, we can see assets and liabilities, sir, in the perspective of company.
Mm,
So, by seeing the balance sheet, we will know the snapshot of a given company on a particular date. It does not, what a balance sheet fails to show it doesn't show the picture for whole year, but it acts like a snapshot for a given day.
mm,
Like usually it is 31st March of any given financial year.
mm,
So by seeing balance sheet, we can know the health of the firm. Like we can see the assets, we can see the liabilities. By taking those assets and liabilities,
mm,
we can take many parameters and we can run. So
mm,
like DSCR one ratio is there. So by using the DSCR ratio, we can calculate whether the firm is able to service my debt or not. If it is able to service my debt throughout the tenure of my loan or not, by using the DSC, by using balance sheet, we can generate, sir, and also we can see whether the company is solvent. So there are many uh, uh, ratios are there, sir.
what are they
Using solvency ratios and also asset ratios. By using balance sheet, we can find out all these ratios.
please tell me about DSCR
DSCR is debt service coverage ratio, sir.
what is it explain
It is in simple terms, debt service coverage ratio is total EBITDA of a company, like profit before tax divided by total debt.
total
So,
debt total debt or total repayment for repayment per year
yes, our annual debt obligation, whatever is there.
exactly that is how you have
Yes,
to tell. Annual debt
yes, sir.
obligation. Good. What is debt
Yes, sir.
equity ratio? In what way is it useful for banks?
Sir, debt equity ratio is simply seeing the how much the firm is having debt divided by the equity. So through that way, we will come to know whether a company is over leveraging, whether
Good.
the debt, whether the debt is
Very
optimal
good.
to its
Yeah, yeah. It's
equity or
sufficient. You told it
yes.
correctly. No problem. Now, what do you understand by capital adequacy ratio in banks?
Capital adequacy ratio is actually described by RBI for any scheduled commercial bank, which is 9%. 9%
Now, what is the
of the,
capital adequacy ratio of our Canara Bank?
sir, it is around 13 to 14%, sir.
What is the capital adequacy ratio of this Andhra Pradesh Grati Bank?
It is also around 12-13%, sir. I have checked
Acha,
because
first class.
because
First
I
class.
want to see the health of that bank before joining. Whether it somehow I
but
came to know
but
some banks are
don't
not performing.
but don't tell like this. Don't tell like
Ah,
this.
sir, okay. No, I will not tell, sir.
Even if the health is not good, it will be government bank only. You will be there on. No problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
RRB, is it commercial or social?
Sir, even though it is social, its intention was social, but the very definition, it is a type of scheduled commercial bank, sir. So it is not a pakka commercial bank like public sector banks or private banks. But RRB has to maintain balance between profit and social, because one of the founding principle for RRBs is to give social justice to everyone.
Good. This type of question, if they ask, how we can manage? Are you reading the question? Please read the question.
हाँ सर सर आपने इंटरव्यू वेन्यू पे नीचे से ऊपर एट द टाइम स्टेप्स पे क्या नोटिस किया?
Faltu. This is based on IAS interview,
ओके सर ओके
where a person was asked, how many stairs did you climb up?
ओ सर
The best answer for that is the number of stairs I'll be climbing down.
ओ ओके सर
That is how it has to be managed. Acha,
Yes.
good. Next one. Mm, Can you tell me about NPA recovery process?
Yes, sir. Actually, I worked in NP as a recovery officer also in Canara Bank. So what I used to do that time was I prepared an Excel sheet of all the NPA accounts which are there in our branch, and I asked our sub staff, because by the our branch started, by that time he is there in that branch, so he identified each and every customer. So I asked him to identify, so which and all customers you can identify, which and all customers you cannot identify. So I highlighted the customer which he can identify, and we visited. I made the columns visit 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So on our first visit, what our task was to explain them what are our OTS. Nowadays, banks are giving very liberal OTS terms. So we explained him. So what are the OTS terms our bank is having? What is the minimum amount he should pay to clear off his dues? And also we obtained his phone number. After that, whenever I used to contact him or whenever I used to update in that Excel sheet. So through that way, when I actually came out from the recovery and I was shifted to advances, I have given that Excel sheet to another officer who his work became very, very simple, because 50% I have actually highlighted who are customers. Each customer, when time we have contacted, what is his response? Whole picture was there in front of him. So this is
what was the position of time barred DPNs?
time barred
DPNs, promissory notes.
DPN. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Were they you had time barred DPNs also in that branch?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Most of the NPA was from agriculture side.
But even then, time barred means how do you proceed for recovery?
Time barred DPNs. Actually, what we will do, sir, we will send notice to customer to regularize the account. If customer doesn't oblige, we will be forced to suit file, sir, because we don't have any other collateral security.
Acha, simply suit filing. Correct.
Yes, sir.
But in the RRBs, what they are doing is they are giving one new advance, adjusting the old advance. That is how they manage. They are just
But it is It's
That's
not
not
good
correct.
practice.
It is not correct, but that's what they are
Yes,
doing.
sir.
That's what many candidates told me also. Anyhow, doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Yes, sir.
Now, um, you are from Karnataka. So after the
Andhra,
you are
Andhra, sir.
Andhra Pradesh, you are from Andhra Pradesh, correct?
Yes,
So
sir. Yes.
elections are due when? Next year only. Jagan Mohan
Sir,
Reddy is
next
doing
year, May, sir. May, general
Jagan Mo
elections.
yeah, Jagan Mohan Reddy has got a very good name. He's doing very well. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
What are the
Yes, sir.
schemes brought by him for farmers?
Sir, for farmers, Jagana Raitu Bharasa e-Bharsa,
Mm,
where actually PM Kisan Yojana, PM Narendra Modi is giving 2,000 rupees. Apart
mm,
from that 2,000 rupees, Jagan Mohan Reddy from our AP state government to Raitu Bharosa, they are giving another 3,000 extra. So total another 4,000 extra. So total 6,000 rupees each farmer is receiving in Andhra Pradesh state, sir.
that means 6 into 3, 18,000 per year.
Yes, sir. 18,000.
Are you sure? 18, I
I
don't think
think
it is. I don't think it is 18,000. It must be 10,000 only.
yes,
6,000
yes, sir.
from central government and 4,000 from state government. Please check it up.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. So, what are the schemes our state government has got for the welfare of women?
Sir, for welfare of women in Andhra Pradesh state, there are many schemes, sir. Because the one decision CM Jagan Mohan Reddy has taken is whatever the funds they are giving to poor people, it should be deposited in the name of a woman. Like there is one scheme for school children, they are giving 15,000 rupees per annum,
For
like a
which children?
scholarship
For which
for
children?
children school up to 10th class for each and
Every
every child
every
every
year.
year. Every
Oh,
year they are giving 15,000. It will be credited in the account of the mother
mm,
and
direct direct credit.
direct direct credit.
Mm,
It is called Ammavadi, sir. And
mm,
also there is another YSR Cheyuta.
mm,
Its scheme is the people who are above 40,
mm,
above 30, 40 to
mm,
60.
mm,
That if they want to set up any business,
mm,
then government is giving 75,000 rupees for that. It started when Jagan Mohan Reddy came to power.
mm,
After so it will be given in four tranches.
mm,
75,000 in four tranches. But if the beneficiary wants to avail loan, then he can take that 75,000 in one time and he can set up any business.
mm,
Uh, she can set up any business and that whatever the installments she will receive next four, it will be credited in the loan account. So she doesn't have to pay anything.
mm,
That government only will pay whatever the interest.
mm.
This
Good.
is under this is only applicable for women. This is not
Mhm.
applicable for men.
Acha, what is the benefit scheme for unemployed people in Andhra Pradesh?
Sir, for unemployed people,
Maybe you
there
will
is
not know. Maybe you will not know. Please check it up. Check it up. Perhaps you may
yes,
not
sir,
know
yes,
it.
sir,
Yeah.
yes.
Mm, what are the functions of RBI?
Sir, major functions of RBI is to regulate banks
Mm,
and also it will be issue legal tender in our country and it acts as central bank.
mm.
So
Con-
it regulates it regulates.
controller of foreign exchange and
Yes, sir.
monetary policy committee.
Yes, sir. Monetary policy committee.
Tell me something
Yes,
about working capital assessment. What do you know about turnover method? What do you know
yes,
about
sir.
tandem committee method? Because you have studied certified credit professional course also.
Yes, sir. I have studied certificate commercial. I studied all turnover method, time method, but exactly I don't remember, sir. But I have to brush it up. So I will tell, sir. Whenever we have to identify the cycle for any turnover method, we have to identify the cycle whether it is 4 months, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. So once we identify the cycle, we have to see the net revenue. How much net revenue? In that, 25% will be the margin from customer side, and remaining 75% can be financed by the banks.
Hmm.
Yes,
Supposing
sir.
a turnover of a company is 200 lakhs
Yes, sir.
ye-
For one cycle.
in a year,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
200
So
lakhs.
then,
And
okay,
the
sir. Then
cycle, what you mean by cycle? That is probably, let us
cycle.
take it as 4 cycles.
Yes, sir. 3 months.
Then,
Okay, sir.
in which
Then fifth.
case, how much will you grant us loan as
Okay, sir.
overdraft?
Okay, sir. So for one cycle, it is 50 lakhs. So in that, we will remove 25% margin for customer. It will be 12.5 lakhs. So remaining 37.5 lakhs, we can grant
Good,
as overdraft.
correct. Good. You told correctly. Very happy. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies, primarily I read non-fiction books and I also watch movies.
Movies. Which movie did you watch recently?
Recently, I watched one Telugu movie called Kida Kola.
What is that? What? Adam Pere?
It's,
Kida Kola.
yes, sir.
What is the meaning of that?
It's Kida is Hindi Kida only, sir. Kola
Kida?
is Coca-Cola.
Acha, Kida
Kida
Kola.
in the insect.
Insect. Acha, Kidi
Yes,
Kola.
sir.
Is it a good movie or a so-so movie?
It's okay, sir. Above average. We can watch. It's funny movie, sir.
Funny
So
movie.
actually, the director who directed that movie, I like his work. He
ఏ
directed one movie called Pelli Choopulu.
ఏ
It's a
ఏం
small
ఏ-
movie
ఏం ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో చూసారు? ప్రైమ్ లా?
in theater, sir. Theater. I
థియేటర్.
saw in theater. Yes,
అచ్చా, ठीक है. Good. Nowadays ticket cost is very high now. How much did you pay for the ticket?
150 rupees, sir.
Arey Baba, too much. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. What else should I ask? You are answering almost all correctly. Can you tell me something about this DEAF account?
Yes, sir. DEF account is actually formed by RBI, sir. Deposit Awareness Fund. It is created whenever a fund is lying idle in any account. After becoming dormant, it will stay in that account for 10 years. Even after 10 years, customer doesn't attempt to withdraw that money, it will be transferred to DEF account. So once that account is transferred to DEF, we cannot directly withdraw from that account. But definitely, if customer wants to take that money, he can approach the bank. The bank will issue that customer is requesting money. Then we will send one application through our application to RBI requesting the return of the fund. Then customer can issue that money.
I understand this DEF account balance are to be sent to RBI
Yes,
after
sir.
some time.
RBI.
Oh,
Yes, sir. 10 years.
I was not knowing it. When I was working in my bank, I never sent any money to RBI. Now
No,
it has.
sir. It will automatically. It will. Oh, that manual time we don't know. But nowadays it will automatically. It will go to DEF accounts.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Last question for you. Shri Anna
Yes, sir.
scheme ante Emi.
Sri Anna. I don't know, sir. Sorry, sir. I cannot recall.
It is something to do with that lentil and all that.
Okay, okay, sir.
Shri Anna scheme. Shri Anna scheme. Sri Anna scheme union budget.
Okay, okay. Union
Oh,
budget.
yeah, it is
Okay.
something to include the major millets. It is something to do with millet.
Okay,
Include
okay.
sorghum and pearl millet, bajra, like that.
Yes.
Something
Yes.
to do with that. Very nice. Best wishes.
Thank you,
Nice
sir.
talking to you for this much time. So
Thank you,
your
sir.
interview is on which date?
Sir, 11th, sir, 11th. This month, 11th.
Yeah. How much did you pay for this? 410 or 610?
610, sir.
Do you want one more mock interview? Which date you want?
Sir, most probably on 9th, sir. Day after tomorrow.
Okay, 9th, 9 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Same way. But read some newspaper also and come.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Some current affair. Today I could not ask you.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you answered very well.
Sir, thank you, sir.
But only thing is,
Sir.
again, I let me switch off and then speak.